Hi, I'm Jamie Horskillick, Raja's Outbound Operations Manager. Today, we're going to be demonstrating how product selection can help save a business time, money, and resource. We've selected a sample of our standard products on one side of the test and a sample of our time-saving products on the other. We think it's going to be up to twice as fast with our top performers, but we need real proof. Using a packaging machine like the FillPack TTC makes it easier to have the exact amount of void fill you need with just the push of a button, while the standard void fill will need to be measured, managed and packed, which slows down the operation. An automatic tape dispenser gives us pre-measured water-activated tape, which also cuts down on wasted materials and time. Using a tape gun requires more skill and ability, although of course having a box with built-in adhesive is always the fastest option all round.